The 2011 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, power windows, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.